Hello, my name is Edwin Beal, and I'm listed as one of the instructors for the Flipped Classroom workshop that is scheduled for June 24th. Unfortunately, I had to attend a conference in San Antonio, and I know it was a tough thing to do, but I gave up teaching the workshop and left that to Kristen and Denise, and instead took on the responsibility of creating this video to introduce you to our workshop. The workshop is on flipped learning, and this is, in order to introduce you to flipped learning, we decided to flip your workshop. Normally, in a flipped classroom, the video or the website or the reading that you would assign students would be to deliver information or data that they would need to either complete homework or to complete some kind of hands-on project that they would do in the classroom when the teacher would be there to help them complete those projects. Rather than do that, we're going to have you do a little homework for us before June 24th. So we have a series of assignments for you to complete before the workshop begins. First of all, in the Moodle class that you're in now, and you should be there because you're watching this video, you should see a series of forum questions just below the video. What we would like you to do is go in and answer those questions or make comments on those questions as best you can. If you want to read some of the other responses and reply to those, that would be great to start a conversation about the flipped classroom and your thoughts on it and how you plan to implement it. Next, we need you to bring with you your planning calendar, a TEK that you want to complete a lesson for, or any materials that you might need to help complete a lesson on the flipped classroom. During the workshop, one of the things we would like to do is for you to at least get started preparing a lesson that you can deliver to your students via the flipped classroom method. Next, on paper, please bring this with you to the workshop. Brainstorm some ideas of how to hold the kids accountable for the material that you're asking them to complete at home. It becomes essential to have the students complete those assignments at home and bring them to work so that you can do the projects or homework that you have assigned for them to do in class. Also, please bring any personal technology you would like to bring with you to this workshop. We're doing this BYOD. If you have an iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, Windows tablet, laptop, any personal device you feel comfortable working on, would like to bring with you to class, bring it, and you can use that in the workshop. We will also have materials there, so if you don't have an iPad, you don't have a laptop, don't worry about it. We'll have laptops and iPads and those kinds of things there for you to use as well. Finally, we need you to go to flippedclassroom.org. The URL is just what it sounds like. Flipped Classroom, all one word, no capital letters, .org, and sign in for that. Once you sign in, they'll ask you to provide an email address. You'll have to verify that your email address is a good email address. You'll also, at one point during the sign-in process, they'll ask you to prove that you're a faculty member and why you're interested in this. Basically, they're trying to keep the spammers out of the forums so that it doesn't get all loaded up with spam instead of good content. Sometimes it may take 24 to 48 hours to get approval because they actually have a person look over that and give approval to anybody that joins those forums. It's a great resource for anybody interested in Flip Learning, Flip Classroom. So we'd like for you to go in and sign up for that and take a look around and begin to kind of prepare yourself for the workshop. I think that's everything. I hope y'all have a good time. I hope you learn a lot. If you have any questions for me after the workshop, I'm sure Denise and Kristen will be more than happy to give you my email address or phone number if you don't already have it. And feel free to contact me about any questions you might have that I can answer for you. Thank you and have a good day.